Adding packages to your PyCharm project is a very straightforward process. First, we need to understand that PyCharm uses virtual Python environments, and this environment is what is shown on the screen. You're going to have a Python interpreter as kind of your base glue that's holding everything together. Within that, you're going to add in packages. Those packages are what help you execute different Python code, and you're often using these packages to start when you use the import package command at the beginning of a script. Each PyCharm project creates its own virtual environment. As you can see here, I'm trying to use the package pandas, but I'm getting an error because the package isn't a part of my virtual environment. To check on the status of the virtual environment, click Ctrl, Alt, and S at the same time on your keyboard. That'll open up this GUI. Over here, select the project and be sure to click the drop-down, and then click the Python interpreter. These are all the packages that you have currently installed and that you can use with your scripts. Clearly, pandas doesn't exist here, which is why when I try to call that Python package, I get an error. I need to add that package to install that package into my virtual environment. There are two ways of doing so. The first and the easiest is right here. Click Install and search for the package that you want to install. There's pandas, and I click Install Packages. Pandas has installed successfully. I can click the X here, and now we see pandas appears inside the GUI here. I click OK, and if I run this now, I don't get any error messages because pandas is now a part of the virtual environment. Similarly, you can uninstall packages with that same GUI we were in before. Ctrl Alt S, back to the interpreter, pandas, and the minus sign to uninstall that package. Pandas successfully uninstalled, and it's no longer available. And naturally, if I try to run this, I get the error because I removed that package from my virtual environment. The second way of adding packages and removing packages is to use the terminal provided for your virtual environment. This is down at the bottom of your screen. Click the terminal, and then you can do pip3 install the package name. I already have the requirements. It's just going to install the package pandas. The install was successful. I can run this script without any errors, meaning that that package is now a part of my virtual environment. If I want to now remove that package, I can go back to the terminal and tell pip3 to uninstall the package. It asks if we'd like to remove. I click Y and enter to confirm, and it successfully uninstalled the package. If I now try to run this, I'll get the error because package has been removed. Hope this helped. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.